To determine how long you need to wait when you apply CA glue, for example, to a repair, the first thing you want to look at is on the back side of the wood. If there are some impressions on the back like this, it's very possible that the CA glue can actually seep through those. So the best thing to do is to fill those first of all. Just put a couple of dabs of glue on there and then accelerator, and that will seal the bottom. Once you go back to the top, in this case, there are two different areas of application that you would be using. This lower one is not very deep. It's almost more of a surface one, but it is a hole. This one you could probably wait about 15 minutes after you applied the CA glue and an accelerator. The second one, you can see from my pencil here, it's actually quite deep and probably is what is going all the way through the board. For this one, I would do this one with 2 or 3 applications. I would first of all put a little bit in, then I would use some accelerator, then I would do it a second and a third time, and maybe even a fourth time. And this one you would want to leave overnight. Let that CA glue overnight. So it depends on the glue that you're using. In this case, it might be a medium brown, and overnight on the deep hole and 15 minutes on a surface.